Hello friends, welcome to E-SHIKSHA. Welcome to this new series that is Python. Today we will learn Introduction to Python. So let us first of all know what is Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum and it was released in the year 1991. Why we use Python? We use Python for web development, for software development, for mathematics, and for system scripting. Now, let us know the two modes you have in Python. The first mode, that means where you can write the command, that is the script mode, and another one is interactive mode. So let us open Python and see these two modes, right? So if you do not find on the desktop your icon for Python, what you can do, all programs, you can have it here. Where is that? Or you can write here Python directly. So this will come, okay, and I have pinned my Python icon out here on the taskbar. So this is your Python window. This is actually the Python prompt or the shell prompt, right? So here you can write every command that you have in Python. So first of all, let us see. And on this window it will tell you all about the Python versions and everything, right? And this is showing, it is telling you that Python is ready to accept any command that you give in Python. It has to be a valid Python command. So let us do one thing. Let us store a value. A is equal to 45. So it got stored in the memory, right? And if you say print A, what will be printed? Whatever you have in A, that is 45. So print A, this has to be in round bracket, right? So you have to write again print A. So this is the correct way of writing print command. So you're getting what? 45. Now this is interactive mode. You're writing the command, okay, and you're getting the result immediately. So this is interactive mode. For writing a program, you have to go to the script mode. For script mode, you have to do what? File, new file, and then a window will come up, right? Now let us do the first program in Python, okay? I'll show you 3 programs today. So the first program, now comment, all of you know, comment means this will be ignored by the interpreter of Python. It will not read this line. This is for our understanding. Welcoming message. So you're writing the first program. You're writing print. You have to give round bracket, and in double quotes or in single quotes also you can write this. I'm writing in capital letter, welcome to Python programming. Right, so this is the first program. You can write more lines. Hope you enjoy it. So this is the second line. and then you have to save the file. Save. So I'll write what? The file name prog. So when you save this, it will be saved as prog1.py for Python file, right? It is saved. Now you have to go to run and you have to choose this option, run module, that is F5. Okay, so welcome to Python programming. Hope you enjoy it. So this is the output you have got, right? Now let us write the second program. So you can do what? New file. So another window will come up. You can close the previous window. So this is our new window, and this is sum of two integers we are going to do. So let us store a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10, and the sum would be a plus b, and then you will do what? Print s. So 10 plus 5 would be 15. 15 will be stored in s. So if you print s, 15 will be printed. Now let us again save this. Okay, so it will ask for a name. I'll give prog2. Saved. Now you run. So it is giving you 15. Now students, you just see 15 is looking little odd. I want to print with proper message. So what do? You can write a proper message. Sum of two integers. So this one, comma, s. Now you save this and you run this. Now this time it is giving you sum of two integers. Now this is looking better than this output. So always try to print your output with proper message. Now let us write the third program. Close it and let us open another file. This time I'm going to print, simple interest. For simple interest, you need to know principal 5 lakhs, right? Rate is equal to, suppose 5%, but you have to write only 5, and time, that is t, is equal to for 6 years or 7 years, whatever. So simple interest formula is what? SI is equal to P into R into T, this whole thing divided by 100. Okay, and you're going to now print simple interest. Okay, and you print SI. It's done. You can also find out the amount by doing what? AMT is equal to simple interest plus principal, and this way you can also do what? Print this one. Along with that, the value, it is stored in AMT, right? So you have to write here AMT. So this is done. Now I have to save it. Okay, so this would be prog3. Done, and I'm going to run it. So simple interest is this, amount is this. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. Soon your next video will come. Stay tuned with E-SHIKSHA. Thank you so much.